Hey everyone, it's Ed at RU Cars. This is our 2014 Ford Focus. It's a 1.6 TDCi and it's the Titanium X Navigator. So it is the top of the range. It's finished in frozen white with the black half leather, half cloth interior. 72,000 miles, 11 services, just the 2 owners, and very nice condition throughout. It's got the xenon lights, your parking sensors with park assist, the 18-inch alloys which have been finished in graphite grey, the appearance pack with privacy glass, very clean and straight. It drives without fault. Parking sensors on the rear, parking camera just there, look. The reg number obviously for any checks you may wish to carry out. It is lovely. It's got the Sony DAB system, obviously with the nav. It's got heated seats, cruise control. The tyres are all recent. Yeah, it's lovely. Let's show you inside. Obviously we start with the boot, which is unmarked, all very clean and tidy. No funny smells, no dog hairs or anything like that. I believe we've got a spare wheel. Let's check. Here we go. We've got the spare in this one. And of course, the parcel shelf. Pure in leather and cloth, which is in super condition, with the ISOFIX as well, rear electric windows, LED roof lights. This one's also got mood lighting or ambient lighting. Usually there's plenty of legroom. I've put the seat all the way back. I'm 6'4" if you've never met me, so usually got the seat a long way back. Fully electric driver's seat, minimal wear to the bolster, folding mirrors, electric leather door cards, sorry. Auto lights and wipers, auto headlights, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. 72,225 miles, and I'll just start the car up for you. So as you see there are no warnings other than the fuel light. Engine illuminates and goes out as it should. Nothing to hide. We've been averaging 57 miles per gallon, so really good on the fuel. I've got driving assist features with this one. Settings, etc. are in there. Not really sure why I'm showing you this, but you can see it all works anyway. Heated windscreen, heated rear screen, dual climate control, start stop, park assist, parking sensors, reverse cam, your heated seats in the centre, 6-speed box. Sony debut in DAB stereo system with your navigation and your maps. Bluetooth is looking for us now. Bluetooth audio, I do believe. There you go. Source of USB BT line in. Mood lighting, I don't know if where to show you that. It's not dark enough, but oh, there you go, there's a bit of a pink look.
Today, if you move on to England's midfield, and we heard from Ollie Lawrence earlier on Five Match Book. He was talking about Ollie Lawrence and
blue,
last
yellow,
weekend.
all the colours.
And this, you
really nice at night. As I say, it's not really dark enough in here to show it to its full potential, but it is nice. Sunglasses holder, armrest with your auxiliary input and USB, and that is about that. This is a cracking car, fully loaded, serviced to within an inch of its life. Give us a call, 01509 267 111, and get you booked in for a test drive. And if you're considering financing the car, give us a try with that. We'll work with a number of lenders and brokers, try and find you the best deal we can. Cheers for watching.